guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I made my videos, but I'm going to be on top of it starting now on, and I'm going to be vlogging too, so stay tuned for that. But today I did this look. I did a blue wing caprice eyeliner and I paired it with the glamorous. I feel like a mermaid right now, but yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Before I start, I'm gonna pour myself a glass of this sangria. Now, I never tried it, so I'm really curious how it is, and I heard it's like better if you put it on ice. So just putting that over there, and not bad. Okay. So I'm gonna start by using this Jaclyn Morphe Pallet, and then with this I'm going to run this soft ochre, and I'm just gonna use my finger with this, and then I'm gonna use the beauty blender to blend it out. Now with this, I like to use my finger because like the warmth on my finger helps. I think it helps apply the base even better than the brush. And then with this, the beauty blender, you just blend it out the edges, and it makes it smooth to apply my foundation, my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna tap that and blend it. Well, not blend it, but like smooth it out, and then get rid of all those lines right there. Okay. And then I'm gonna pick up that Morphe. So there's gonna be all Morphe products, and yeah, well, basically all Morphe. Well, I'm gonna use Morphe M441 to put in the transition color, and then I'm going to pick up the color. What is that? Firework? No, sorry. Butter. Just dip that in there. Just tapping the excess off, and then with this I'm gonna focus it right here between the inner corner and the middle, and then I'm going to do circular motions with this. And then I didn't pick up that much product because I'm doing little by little, so I'm just focusing it here. Whatever product I have left over, just wing it out. And I'm doing this lightly because I don't want the wing to be harsh. Because we are gonna wing it out later and then clean it up with the cut crease. I'm going to pick up the brush, Morphe M330. I mean, it looks like this, like gum taper brush. I'm going to pick up the color. What is that? It's Jax? I can't even read this shit. Let's go with Jax. Oh no. Hunts. My bad. And then exactly what I did with the first color, with the first shade, I'm doing with this shade. So I'm starting off right here, and then doing circular motions. I can't even say circular motions. And then I'm barely even putting pressure on the brush. I'm going back with that first brush, that M441. I'm just going to blend it out. Going back and forth. I would say take your time with blending. You know, it is a process, and I'm still learning how to like see if it's a good blend or not. So, you know, I'm just taking my time. Usually I would rush to do an eyeshadow makeup look, but now it's like when you take your time and perfect everything, it looks better. Picking up the Morphe 433. And then with this one, I am picking up Jack's is like a deeper color red. I'm gonna deepen up the look a little bit. And then with this, I'm just barely I'm going to stab it right here and just work my way to the crease, because I'm going to do like a lineup to see where I'm going to cut it, and then I just want to help me guide it. So it's really hard to talk and do your eyeshadow at the same time. I'm trying to focus. I'm picking up M573. I'm going to just clean out that look right there. I mean, if you guys have great tips on how to do this, let me know, because I really like to see a difference in how I do it and how you do it. Like right now, I'm just, you know, still learning myself. I've been doing makeup since I was, eyeshadow since I was a junior in high school. But I was wearing mascara and concealer and sophomore. I was really into makeup. And all my friends, I was the first one to like try eyeshadow, try eyelashes. I even taught my mom how, like, oh, this is how you do it and stuff. They all said I should go to school, and then hey, you know, I really feel like makeup's not my real passion, but I just, you know, was always on YouTube and finding new things out. It's really good. Picking up the M506, and then I'm going in with the deepest color in the palette with this. I'm barely gonna tap my brush in there. I don't know if I just tapped it. And then I'm going to stab it like how I did the first shadow. And just line it. See? I barely dipped it in there and it's already big. With the darkest color, you gotta be careful because it really is hard to blend out. That you could fuck everything up. I have not failed yet. I'm not giving up. Just need to blend it out. But I did kind of ruin the line on where I want to cut it. Oh, I have the hiccups now that I was drinking some. I'm gonna just go back with that other brush and just try to blend it. I think I might have ruined it, but we'll see. I can't give up. So I'm just grabbing this flat brush I got from Beach Cosmetics, and I'm just going in with that NARS concealer. I'm going to cut it and line it up, and then we're gonna put the eyeshadow on there next. So this I gotta be careful because it's like, I kind of want it to look kind of like a blue eyeliner, like a really blue thick eyeliner, but I don't want to go on top of the crease where it will like lift, like go on the black line. I'm trying to, you get what I'm saying? Okay. This just, with this, does anyone hold their breath when they try to do this? Because, whew, this gets me nervous. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god, look. This is what I meant. Like, the concealer goes on the crease. So, like, with this, I really gotta hurry up and cut it out. And then, when I'm done, I let it dry. Because that's what I didn't want. For the concealer to go on top of there. Okay. And now this. Getting the concealer down there and then patting it in. Grab this beautiful, gorgeous called Jada, and I'm just gonna pick that up, and then with this I'm going to pat it on. Pat, pat, pat. Pat it everywhere. All over the lid. And I'm picking up this pretty shimmer color. Pool party. To a pool party. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. I should wet it, huh? So I'm just grabbing this dewy finish next. I'm just gonna spray that color. How did I miss that? Anyways, going back in there, and then pat it. I'm just focusing on this until I feel like I like it. Okay. Then I'm grabbing this little guy and I'm just dipping into that black color again. I'm going to stab it a little bit and then like lift it up. And I'm grabbing this little taper brush, going in butter color. Just putting this in my lower lash line. Oof, I hate that. And I'm grabbing the Jax, that outer corner, my waterline thing. Going back into the darkest color again and just placing that on top of, underneath those eyelashes. And just, I like how I kind of did this. I might have ruined the look, but it's cool. Deepen right there. Okay, stay right there. I'll be back. I'm going to put on my eyelashes and then finish up the look. So this is the final look. I put on some eyelashes and then my lip, and that was putting the whole face together. So let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.